Hello, my name is Silke Espinet. I'm a mixed metal jewelry artist and I'm going to show you some of the pieces I've been working on during the past year and some of the pieces that will be in the Excellence exhibition in the Oxmarket Gallery in Chichester. I have learned to electroform and I love using electroforming in my work. This is my Treasures of the Sea pendant. And I show you where I enamel because I love enameling. I have a few things in the making here as well. So these are my kilns. I also enamel bowls. I have just started with the enameling of the bowls. And some pieces that are waiting to be finished into finished pieces of jewelry. For the Oxmarket the Excellence exhibition, I'm working with Treasures of the Sea. I've got a few shells that is in the making. And I have wonderful, absolutely beautiful antique mother of pearl. It's absolutely stunning. Well, this is what the designs happen on this table, and these pieces are in the making as well. I've got a cuff that is made with organic pieces. They are electroformed and it's got some lovely precious stones in it, in this case emerald. This is one of my enameled pieces. I have been working on a series of endangered species, and this is one of the pieces for that. I hope you enjoyed this, and it would be lovely to see you at the exhibition or one of the exhibitions in the future.